I'm so happy to see you, Shumate. So good to have you here. So for this video, I'm going to talk about my top 5, not 5, actually 6 winter moisturizers. Part 2 actually, because part 1 is here. There I mentioned some of my old favorites, but if you couldn't find anything that works for you from this video, then you may find this video to be helpful. Here actually I have really good new options and the ingredients are really good, textures are awesome. Can't wait to show these things to you. And some of these things you have recommended, like this brand Cerene or Cerene. You have told me about this brand. I never heard about this brand, but they have really good moisturizers, and also this moisturizer from Pure Bubbles propolis face cream. This is quite nice too. Okay, now let me start the video. So first I have a moisturizer that can do really well for dry and dehydrated skin, and this is from Aveeno. This is actually their baby soothing relief moisture cream, but even we can use it. If you have used Dermexa, Aveeno Dermexa, it has similar texture to that, but this is softer and less thick, and this is awesome if you're looking for a nourishing, no nonsense moisturizing cream. You can apply this on your body as well. It is fragrance free. It has a bunch of occlusives like mineral oil, dimethicone to prevent the water loss. It has oat flour to soothe the skin. It has soybean oil to nourish the skin. Though the formulation is kind of thick, still doesn't feel greasy or it doesn't feel oily or sticky. It actually feels kind of matte on the skin, which is quite surprising. So if you're not into dewy formulations, then you can find this to be helpful, and it also feels quite soothing, like this one very much. And if you're looking for one oil-based moisturizer, then you can try this one. This is from Pure Bubbles. This is the propolis face cream. It has oils like sunflower oil, it has moringa oil, it has also butters. So if your skin doesn't like butters and oils, you may not like it, but if your skin loves butters and oils, you're gonna love this one. It has this yellow color due to oils, I think, and it has kind of herbal scent to it. This moisturizer also has olive leaf extract, also propolis extract, and you can use this both day and night, but I prefer this for night time. Alright, next I have this moisturizer from Cerene or Cerene, I don't know how to pronounce it. This is a new brand, I think. They have this Illuminating water cream. So if you have oily skin, if you're looking for like light moisturizers, then it can work for you. It doesn't have any butters or oils, so if your skin doesn't like butter and oils, then you can like this one. It has many good ingredients that can brighten up your skin. It has very good amount of niacinamide, it has licorice root extract, it also has green tea to soothe your skin, oat extract, zinc PCA, sodium PCA. So if you are looking for a moisturizer that's gonna give you the glow while it's gonna soothe your skin, then this can be it. And I'm really impressed with this one. Many people may not find this enough moisturizing for winter, but frankly, they're like light moisturizers that I can make use during winter by simply applying more amount or mixing oils or layer this with oils. So this is how this can work. But this is really nice. I'm really impressed with the ingredients, the performance. It made my skin glowy, soft. It has ceramides as well, allantoin, panthenol. Very nice. Also they have this another moisturizer, that is their Plump It Louder, their Hydrating Cloud Cream. This is from dry to normal skin, and this is for oily to combination skin, but frankly I'm liking this more. I have slightly dry skin, still I'm liking this more, but this one is good too. It has good amount of centella, it has sugar prebiotics, it has oat, then licorice root extract, camellia extract, which is green tea extract. It has shea butter. So if you like shea butter in your moisturizers, try this one. If you want to avoid butters like shea, cocoa, then try this one. And it has thicker texture than this one, but both seem kind of nice to me. I use this for daytime. It works really good under sunscreen, and I use this during the night time. So next I have this quite affordable moisturizer. This is from Simple, their vitamin C moisturizing glow gel, but it doesn't have like that amount of vitamin C, so but this is quite lightweight, and performance wise I found this to be a dupe of this brand, Neutrogena. There's hydro emulsion. That one was very nice, worked really well for me, but this is more affordable than that one, and it feels exactly the same like that, you know, hydro gel or hydro emulsion. And if you're looking for a no nonsense good moisturizer, you can give it a try. Glow wise, it's there, but it makes my skin so hydrated. It looks like dewy, plump, which I like about this one. And it has ingredients like dimethicone to prevent the water loss. It has glycerin to hydrate the skin. It also has few cross polymers to enhance the texture of this moisturizer. Mostly it has this good balance of humectants which can hydrate your skin, and occlusives which can prevent the water loss. So again, if you have dehydrated skin, it can work for you. It can work for all skin types like dry skin, oily skin, if you have normal skin type, and especially if you have dehydrated skin. And the last moisturizer I have is from Dr. Sheths. It is the ceramide and vitamin C oil free moisturizer. Again, if you're looking for a lightweight good moisturizer for this winter, because many people don't like thick moisturizers during winter. They like lightweight moisturizers that they can layer or they can use oils with. So for them it can be really good. It has vitamin C complex, it has the ceramide complex, ashwagandha. So actually they have sent me for a collab this moisturizer, and I like it so much, so I thought of mentioning it like before the collab, because I really find this to be quite helpful. It has 5 types of ceramides. It has ashwagandha. I mean, this brand 82Es, they are charging around 2,700 for a moisturizer with ashwagandha, and it has ashwagandha too, but it is quite affordable. It has vitamin E, then amla extract, it has glycerin, and it is quite lightweight as well. So if you're looking for a good affordable lightweight moisturizer for this winter, you can give it a try. So yeah, there you have it, my moisturizer recommendations. I also have another video coming on moisturizers, maybe end of this month. So yeah, and let me know about your favorite moisturizers, which things work for you, which things didn't, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.